how cute it came out. Just so fun, so satisfying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you don't know, my name's Eva. I'm so excited for today's video because today I'm going to show you guys how to personalize a Starbucks cup, which is my all-time favorite. And if you follow me on any of my social medias, you will know that layering vinyl is my favorite thing to do, and I do it all the time, and I've gotten really good at it. So yeah, I'm so excited. Today's video is going to be beginner friendly though, so if you already know how to personalize Starbucks cup, things like that, or if you're a pro at it, this might not be the video for you. If you are a pro at it and you still want to watch this, yay, thank you so much for being here. I wanted to show you guys a few orders that I have done today. Jack and Sally Valentine's Day cup. I just love layering. It's just so fun, so satisfying. It's a stress reliever for me too, so it's just my thing. I did this one today. It's a Bad Bunny Valentine's Day cup, which is my all-time favorite because I'm obsessed with Bad Bunny. Look how cute it came out. Okay, last one. Last one is a mermaid wrap. This is tech wrap vinyl, high quality, top notch. So yeah guys, personalizing Starbucks cups is one of my favorite things to do, so let's get right into it. And like I said, this is going to be beginner friendly. I hope it's super helpful for you guys, and let's get right into the video. So for this project, you're going to need some sort of cutting machine. I use a Cricut maker. You're also going to need some sort of cup to customize. I prefer the Starbucks ones because they're so cute. Some type of cutting tool, scissors, a scraping tool, transfer tape, and vinyl. I use Oracle 651 from Expressions Vinyl. Everything that I'm using in this video is going to be linked in the description down below. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into Cricut Design Space. We're going to open up a new canvas. When I first started doing Starbucks cups, I like to use a template of the Starbucks wrap, so I knew how much vinyl to cut. I'm going to show you guys where to get a free one. So the website is kaylamakes.com. This is her blog. You're going to go to free downloads, then you're going to go to free commercial use, and then you will go to wrap templates here on the bottom. I love this template. So she has a full wrap SVG download for free, and it is able to be used as commercial use. So I'm going to download that to my computer. I'm going to go back to Cricut Design Space. I'm going to upload that template. It's going to be in my downloads. So this will tell me how much vinyl I need to cut and if everything's going to fit properly. So if you're new to doing Starbucks cups, I definitely recommend this method. I don't do this anymore because I've been doing it for a while, but it definitely does help. So today we're going to be doing a daisy cup. So I do have the Cricut Access, which is $10 a month, so I get the images that come with it. So I'm just going to show y'all something simple. I'm going to type in daisy, and I'm going to use this image here. It is going to be a layered image, but it's super easy if you don't know how to layer. I'll walk you guys through it, and this is going to be something easy for beginners. So all I want here is the daisies. I don't want anything else. So I'm going to ungroup so I can take off that. Don't need it. And we're going to take off the green. We do not need it because I'm just going to do a daisy cup with my name. So I'm going to center this back where it was. And then I'm going to size the daisies how I want. Like what size I want them. So I'm just going to put it over here and play with it. That looks pretty good. Just to make it easier on you guys, I am going to contour these so I can move them around, and I'm just going to hide all contours and just leave one showing. So we'll work with one at a time. I'm going to contour, leave one showing. Okay, so we're going to work with this one daisy here just to make it easier on you guys, just in case if you're new. Looks like a pretty good size, something that I would like for my daisies. So but if you do want them bigger or smaller, you would be able to size them bigger or smaller. When you are doing layers, you want to size them together, because then if you size them separately, it might not look right or it might not be sized correctly. So I don't think that looks good. I think it's too big, but it's all personal preference. So just size the daisy how you want. And once you feel like it's a good size, which I feel like that's a good size, I'm going to duplicate it to fit around the cup. So I'm going to continue to duplicate, put them where I want, So as long as you're using this template, if it fits on this template, it's gonna fit on your cup. So that's the really good thing about these. Okay, so I'm only gonna do 6 daisies because I do wanna put my name on it. So I'm gonna go on the left side, click text. I'm gonna type in my name, which is Eva, of course. My favorite font right now is Goldie Rainbow. That is a download from dafont.com. I won't go into full detail on how to download those now, but I can do a video later if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna put my name there. I am going to weld it just so it's all welded together and it cuts out as one piece. So I think that looks pretty good. So now I am gonna move the template and then I'm gonna go over here to the right hand side and I'm gonna hide it because we don't want that to get cut out. And then I'm also gonna duplicate 2 more daisies just to have extra, just in case once I do the cup I feel like it needs a little bit more. These are not connected, so they're ungrouped right now, and you want them to stay that way because they're different colors, so you do want them to cut out separately. So I do know how to cut everything out on the same mat, but some of you guys watching might be new, so I'm gonna cut everything out separated by colors. So I'm gonna click make it. So here on the left hand side, it's showing me 3 different mats. White mat for the daisies, black for my name, and then yellow for the center of the daisies. So here I'm just cutting out my first color that I'm going to be cutting out, which is white. I'm cutting it out 2 inches by 12, just like it showed on my computer screen. So once you laid the vinyl down on the mat, you're going to go ahead and click continue. Then material type is going to pop up. We're using permanent vinyl, so I'm going to use vinyl as the cut setting. Then you're going to repeat the process for all the colors. Okay, so now that the Cricut cut out the vinyl, we're going to weed it out. I'm using a Tech Wrap weeding pen, which I love. It's super sharp, easy to use, but there are multiple weeding tools that you're able to use. You're just gonna have to find what works best for you. I'm just gonna slightly poke and pull up, and it comes off so easy, so satisfying as well. So here I am repeating the process. I'm cutting out each color to size, placing it on the mat, getting it cut out, and then weeding it. I do have another video that I made where I cut all the colors at the same time to make the process easier and quicker. If you're interested in watching that video, I will link it in the description. So now that everything's cut and weeded out, now it's time for the fun part, which is actually decorating your cup. This is my favorite part, so I'm gonna move that to the side. We are gonna be using this Starbucks Mint Glitter Cup. This is actually from their December collection in 2020, I believe. It was their Christmas collection. So they don't sell these anymore, but I still had some. They're super cute, and I thought the daisies would look great on this cup. So we're gonna use it. We're gonna take off the lid and straw. I'm gonna use an alcohol pad to clean off the cup just to make sure that it's super clean so that the vinyl can adhere to the cup really well. So then we're gonna let this air dry for a minute. Then I'm gonna put my cup on this cup holder. I actually made this about 2 years ago when I first started. If you guys want me to, I can do a video on how I made it. I got everything from Lowe's. So if you guys want me to, I can do a video on how to make one. Just let me know. All right, so the cup's pretty dry. Sometimes I'll shake it just to air dry it. This helps hold the cup when I'm placing the vinyl. So I'm gonna put my name first since I want it here. I like to put the name first so I know what space I have left. So I'm gonna get a piece of transfer tape. This is a YRYM transfer tape from Amazon. I love it, I highly recommend. I'm gonna link it in the description below. I've been using this transfer tape for 2 years. I love it and does not disappoint. It lasts a long time. You can reuse it. I'm gonna take off the backing. So I have my transfer tape and I have my scraping tool from Tech Wrap. So I'm gonna put the transfer tape over my name, just like that. You wanna make sure it's flat. You wanna make sure there's no air bubbles, stuff like that. So then you're just gonna scrape the name very, very well. You can even flip it over and scrape if you want to, just to make sure it's very stuck to the transfer tape. Then you're gonna turn it around and take off the paper backing, just like that. Then you're gonna put the name where you want it. Guys, I want my name right here in the front. So I like to push down with my fingers to make sure it's flat. Then you're gonna get your scraping tool. You're gonna scrape the name or whatever you're putting down very, very well. This transfer tape is very sticky. It's not a strong tack, but it does have a lot of stickiness to it. So you wanna make sure you scrape really, really well. And then when you pull back the transfer tape, you wanna take your time. So just like that. Looks so cute. Okay, so then we're gonna repeat the process with the daisies. This is an easy project to layer. So I'm gonna put a daisy here. Scrape really, really well. And you wanna pull back slowly. Then I'm gonna grab the yellow center and put it right in the center of the daisy. So this is called layering, and this is a super easy project to layer. So if you want to practice, you can start with something easy like this or a butterfly. So then you're gonna scrape and you're gonna peel off, and there you go, you have your daisy right there. Super easy project to layer. Or you can grab a yellow centerpiece on your transfer tape, and then you can put it on top of your daisy. Then I'm gonna put the daisy where I want it. I'm gonna put it right there. And then you're just gonna repeat the process. Okay guys, so that is how I personalize Starbucks cups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please comment them down below and I will be sure to answer you. Give this video a like if you learned anything or if you enjoyed it. And please subscribe to my channel if you're loving my content. It will be truly appreciated. Later on in the future, I plan to do more videos on how to personalize Starbucks cups, how to layer vinyl, etc, 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 because like I said, this is one of my favorite things to do. So I cannot wait to make more videos for you guys. Everything that I use is going to be linked in the description down below. And don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. I truly appreciate you being here and watching my videos. Until next time, bye guys.